A method stub or simply stub in software development is a piece of code used to stand in for some other programming functionality. A stub may simulate the behavior of existing code or be a temporary substitute for yet-to-be-developed code. Stubs are therefore most useful in porting, distributed computing as well as general software development and testing. An example of a stub in pseudocode might be as follows. Begin, temperature equals thermometer read, outside, if temperature greater than 40 then, print it's hot. End if, end. Begin thermometer read, source inside or outside, return 28, end thermometer read. The above pseudocode utilizes the function thermometer read, which returns a temperature. While thermometer read would be intended to read some hardware device, this function currently does not contain the necessary code. So thermometer read does not, in essence, simulate any process, yet it does return a legal value, allowing the main program to be at least partially tested. Also note that although it accepts the parameter of type source, which determines whether inside or outside temperature is needed, it does not use the actual value passed by the caller in its logic. A stub is a routine that doesn't actually do anything other than declaring itself and the parameters it accepts and returning something that is usually the values expected in one of the happy scenarios for the caller. Stubs are used commonly as placeholders for implementation of a known interface, where the interface is finalized known but the implementation is not yet known finalized. The stub contains just enough code to allow it to be compiled and linked with the rest of the program. In RMI nomenclature, a stub communicates on the server side with a skeleton. See also: abstract method, mock object, dummy code, test stub, references. External links: a stub generation system for C++, stub mock frameworks for Java, review and comparison of stub and mock frameworks for Java.